In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your website in GoDaddy step by step. If you're using GoDaddy's Websites Plus Marketing website builder, creating a backup is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your content, design changes, and hard work. Whether you're about to redesign your site, update important information, or just want peace of mind, this quick process ensures you always have a restore point ready. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to open the website editor inside your GoDaddy account. Start by going to GoDaddy.com in your browser and log in using your account credentials. Once you're signed in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile if needed, then go to My Products. This is where all your domains, hosting plans, and website products are listed. Under the section labeled Websites Plus Marketing, you'll see your active website listed there. Next to it, click on Manage. This will take you to the dashboard for that specific website. From here, click on Edit Website. This opens up the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your site's design, content, and settings. Now that we're inside the editor, the next step is to open Site History. Look over to the right-hand panel of the editor. You'll see a menu with different options. Click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down through the available options until you find Site History. Go ahead and click on Site History. Site History is where GoDaddy stores previous versions of your website. This is extremely useful because it allows you to restore your site to an earlier version if something goes wrong or if you change your mind about recent edits. Now let's create a manual backup. Inside the Site History section, you'll see an option that says Create Backup. Click on Create Backup. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to confirm the action. Simply click Save. That's it. You've just created a manual backup of your website. This backup acts as a restore point, so if you ever make changes that you don't like, accidentally delete content, or run into formatting issues, you can return to Site History and restore your site to this saved version. It's important to note that GoDaddy Website Builder does automatically save versions of your site, but creating a manual backup before major changes gives you extra control and security. I personally recommend creating a manual backup before redesigning pages, updating themes, or adding large amounts of new content. And that's it. Your GoDaddy Website Builder site is now backed up both automatically and manually. It only takes a minute, but it can save you hours of frustration later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow website and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.